10 surprising questions about your hair that 90% of people don't know. Is your hair stronger than you think? Did you know that a single strand of hair is stronger than a piece of wire of the same thickness? Yup. Healthy hair can actually handle quite a bit of pulling force. Can your hair color change on its own? Of course, genetics play a huge role in your hair color. But did you know that sun exposure and chemicals can also change your hair color over time? Your hair's shade can be affected by more than just your genes. How hot can hair get before it burns? Hair is tougher than it looks. It can actually handle heat up to around 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. Way hotter than you'd think for something so delicate. Does your hair have layers like skin? Believe it or not, hair has a structure similar to your skin. It has layers, and the outermost one, called the cuticle, helps protect your hair from damage. Can hair help regulate body temperature? Hair does more than just look good. It actually helps regulate your body temperature. Without it, your head would lose heat way faster, making it harder to stay cool. What does your hair reveal about your health? Your hair can actually give you clues about what's going on inside your body. Things like diet, stress, and even medications can show up in your hair. Does hair grow in phases? Hair doesn't grow continuously. It goes through 3 phases: the growth phase, the resting phase, and the shedding phase. When your hair hits the resting phase, it falls out to make room for new growth. Why does hair thin with age? As you get older, your hair naturally becomes finer and thinner. That's why it may seem like you have less hair as you age. Can hair, remember, changes in your body? Hair doesn't just grow and fall out. It can actually, remember, changes in your body, like stress or illness. Experts can analyze your hair and track your body's changes over time. How does your diet affect hair growth? The food you eat has a big impact on how your hair grows. Nutrients like vitamin B, zinc, and iron help keep your hair healthy and promote growth. If your diet's lacking, it can show in your hair.